All right, so we've got this giant box in here, and we are going to unbox this thing.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna try not to sever any fingers or toes or body parts.
What could this possibly be?
I know Kristen checked the return address and got pretty excited.
Are you excited about this?
Yeah, but it took me a little long to figure it out.
Kristen does not know what a return address is, as she is a child of the new age here. Okay.
They don't send letters to each other.
Now, they just
All right.
FaceTime and text. Wait. Try not to, in case it's fragile. I don't know what's happening here.
Ooh, it's a box within a box.
Here, you pull that. Oh,
Oh, all the strength, all the strength.
okay.
Yay!
Oh, wait, and look at this side of the box.
Oh, oh.
All right.
I wonder what could possibly be in
I think
there.
Kristen's really excited. I'm gonna let her do the honors.
All right.
Just throw that away. Gently and carefully.
Here comes the big reveal.
I can start to open a box. Ready?
I can't do it. Oh,
And-
never mind.
Oh, it's a letter! Hooray! What does the letter say?
You're bigger than Vancouver, you're bigger than Venice, you're even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers. Maybe you've imagined that day for a long time, or maybe you never thought you'd grow so big. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, that your ideas, that your voice speaks to 1 million people across the globe. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is reward enough, but we're incredibly proud of you and I read that wrong. But we're incredibly proud of all you've done, so we hope you'll accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem. Yeah, with your track record, we suspect you're only going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone, 10 million subscribers.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a big. That's
It may seem far away, but remember the days when you're psyched to have 1,000? You've amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You're the inspiration for everything we do. Sincerely, Susan.
Yay!
Thanks, Susan.
Thank you, Susan.
I don't
All
know
right.
the last name.
All right, let's
Set.
take a look at that. And
Oh,
there it is.
it's so pretty.
Oh.
It is really big. Should we take out the plastic? Let's see. Okay. So wait, are we like the first theme park channel to do this?
I think so.
Oh. Whoa, it's shiny.
Oh,
Ready?
look
Hold
at
it up,
that.
Kristen.
It's reflecting all kinds
Whoa,
of
look, you
stuff.
can see yourself now. Say hi.
Oh, look.
That is really pretty.
Whoa.
Aw.
Awesome. All right.
Yeah. Thanks to all of our million subscribers.
Yeah.
We love you guys.
And now we'll give you guys what you actually came here for.